I am going to continue heat of combustion. Today I take the examples of isomeric cycloalkanes. In case of the two isomeric cycloalkanes, 2 points are very important. Number one, more is the strength in the molecule, more is the heat of combustion. Again, more is the strain in the molecule, more is the heat of combustion. Secondly, heat of combustion is inversely proportional to stability of the molecule. If molecule is more stable, its heat of combustion is low. If molecule is less stable, its heat of combustion is more. See the examples. This is cyclohexane. This is marked A, and a cyclopropane derivative, trimethyl cyclopropane. This is 1, 2, 3 trimethyl cyclopropane. Now see the similarity. Molecular formula C6H12. Its molecular formula C6H12. This is 6-membered ring, so less strength. It is 3-membered ring, more strength. This is 6-membered ring, more stable. This is 3-membered ring, less stable. In terms of energy, this has less energy and this has more energy. These observations are sufficient to say that this has got, the compound B has got more heat of energy because it is highly strained, less stable, so this has got higher value of heat of combustion. Now see the explanation. The explanation part of this is, explanation follows as explanation. See the reaction involved. Each one is C6H12. It is going to burn in the oxygen. The reaction produces carbon dioxide and water molecule. This is 9 here. So product is, these are the products, carbon dioxide and this is water molecule. You know the formula. Heat of combustion. Heat of combustion is equal to heat content of product minus heat content of reactant. You know this formula. You also know that heat content of reactant is always higher than the product. So value of delta H always comes in negative, already taught to you. Now think about this example. Delta H in this case, Product in both cases, products are the same. Products are the same in both example. Same of both examples. That is, product is CO2 and H2O. So the product, this is same for both. We are differing in reactant energy. Now see, in case of cyclohexane, which is marked A, the delta H0 were equal to heat of the product is same, this is same, and this is reactant is your cyclohexane and heat content of cyclohexane. Now in case of cyclopropane derivative, the equation becomes like this: H0, heat content of the product, it is the same for both, minus heat content of cyclopropyl derivative, cyclopropane derivative, which is, that is B. Already you know that B has more energy, B has got more energy and A has got less energy. So your negative value in this case is high. Your negative value in this case is high negative value, and in this case this has got low negative value, low negative value. This information suggests that this has got high value of heat of combustion. It is clear from this explanation. Thank you.